We're in Snow Canyon State Park, about to do Scout's Cave. Super excited. We'll take you guys along. So we're just starting out on the trail. All the black behind me is lava rocks. This is an old volcano area. We just did the Cinder Cone Trail. That's all lava rocks.
Hey, we're going to this cave behind me. You can see two people standing up there. That's it. We're going about 1.5 miles and probably half a mile to go.
We made it. This is Scout's Cave. Really cool. We were gonna add on the Johnson Canyon Trail, but I looked online before we came. This part of the trail is closed. It adds like an extra mile total to a really cool arch, but it's closed for, I'm guessing, the turtles. So maybe another time when we come, we'll hit it up.